Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. How's everybody doing today? Doing really well here. Got another beautiful day outside today. We've been having fantastic weather and yeah, just loving it. Anyway, today I have my True Love design team project for SS Digital Studios. I've had this done since April 20th, I think it was. And yeah, just I don't know a little slow on the go, but I got it. So this is, get my paper out here. It is 5 1/4 by 8 1/4, and I have a 1.5 inch spine. I've done this with the hanging file folder and the chipboard covers on the front and back. I've got the elastic here, and over here at the side I got a little, I don't know what you want to call it, a little band or something. I did some rub-ons here, and so that just fits around there. And I got a little, this is not from the kit, but I've got an additional little element down there at the bottom. I thought it needed a little something else down there. So we open it up. I've got the pocket inside where I folded up the file folder, and in there I've got a large tag and an envelope. And this paper is so pretty. I've got some little tabs on the signature, outside the signature. Just got a, oh look at there, I sewed my tag in. Journaling card there with a pocket. Got some old ledger. This paper and this paper, and I think there may be another one too. Or no, I think this actually came with the True Love kit. The one on the front I know came from the Masculine Digital Pack from SS Digital Studio as well. I thought they mixed in together really well. Pages are very pretty. This is just a heart die cut I added on that page. And we've got here a pocket and a journaling card. These are file folders from a old railroad telephone book that I folded up and used for pockets here. Got memories, got some music paper, and that's the center of our signature. And got a page here, pocket with a journaling card. Got a specimen slide here with some Tim Holtz photo booth on there, some buttons, a little key. And this is just a journaling card, got attached to the side here. Another one of those heart die cuts. Pocket, a journaling card, and second signature here. Nice big pocket with a big card. Journal or ledger paper. That's just heart cut out. Got another journaling card here, clipped, and some more music paper. This is out of that book that I got the file folders from. This is a big pocket I made over here, again with those folders, and a large tag. Got some Tim Holtz people on the front. Another specimen card. Look at these, they're so pretty. And then we've got our third signature here. Nice journaling card. Another specimen slide there. And center of the signature again. This elastic I got from Beebeecraft. And it's a little thicker than the elastic that I can get at Hobby Lobby, and I really like it. I'll put a link below to their shop so you can check that out too. Look at that. Love that wind catcher. Got another pocket made from the index cards in that phone book. And there we go. Another heart, another page from that book. Nice journaling card. They've all been stitched and backed. Tags in the journaling cards. In the back, we've got the other pocket that lifts up. Got another envelope here that you can put things in. And then a large journaling tag here. And then, of course, I've got my library card here. And yes, April 20th, I finished it. So we got that. And then there's the back. And you can see that paper better from that masculine kit. I'll link that below too. So there it is. This journal has, well, like you saw, 3 signatures. 36 pages front and back in each signature, and so that makes 108 total pages front and back inside. So yes, I hope you like it. It was fun to do, and as usual, Bonnie's kits are always just really, really pretty and fun to work with. So, alright guys, hope you like that. I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye. Don't tell me that didn't record. Why are we on?